Don't mind me just mowing in the rain here. Makes it nice because it's hot out here. Don't have kids. America. Thought this was a mushroom, but then it was like pulsating. Why do I keep finding birds? Now I don't know where this nest is. Somewhere up there. What am I supposed to do? Take care of it or something? I hear something. Is that you chirping? No, I hear something chirping somewhere. Well, maybe it's right in there. Oh, that must be Mom. Is it in here? What's in there? I can't see. Nope. Now what do I do? I don't know. All right, I went to go get a bucket. I don't know where the bird went. It's gotta be close. Cause this thing is just pissed off at me. It's got a worm in its mouth and everything. Oh, there's another one. All right, I'm in the middle of some kind of bird war. Over there, that thing couldn't have gotten far. It can't fly, right? What the heck would they have done? Oh, there it is. It's outside the fence now. All right, so what do I do with it? All right, go over here. All right, I'm on the chase. Thing's running from me. Ah, come here. You good? Oh, you son of a bitch. I gotta go back in there. Where are you going? All right. I'm gonna get you now. Uh-oh. Again! Don't attack me! Ah! I see you. All right. Whoa, shit. It's coming. Well, go get your damn kid then. I don't want it. All right, I'm inside now. I think I'm just gonna let nature do its thing. Why are you out here? I don't know where the bird is anymore. Oh yeah. Redneck's over there doing his thing.